Ama.
Okay.
Yes. This ama is kinamayan tapis. They are using this to ritual before they will weave, if there is sickness, and also in harvest. After harvesting, this is very important tapis to us. But when I think in 1953, this tapis from the old woman who weaved from my lula, Aganis Asmandadawa, I like to introduce my feeling like making this tribal war, because during the olden days they have a tribal war instead to have more tribes from them. So this is the warrior man. Even it's raining, even it's there is lightning, they are continuing making war until someone will be survived to have a territory from the tribe. Now there is also an eagle design. This is eagle design because this lablabaan, labaan derives from the dance lablabaan. This bird has two heads because from security from front at the back he can see everything. This is one of the security bird in our place, labaan or eagle. In the beginning of our province, we have an cave. This cave in near Tangadan. They are guarded. The two warrior man guard in order not to enter the province. Some of the enemy will not enter to the province. That is the reason they are guarding this cave or tunnel. in this place, that is Gabriela Silang, the only woman hero in the province, because the family name of Gabriela Silang, the wife of Diego Silang, is Carino. Gabriela Sila Carino Silang. This woman is a hero woman. And we have also an Agdidyang or ritual woman, because before you enter the province, there is a goddess called it Tinaing or Apader. Tinaing guard also the whole province. That is the reason why there is a man, Indian man, making ritual to the province to safeguard the enemy and all sickness enter to the province. This is the woman, a Indian woman and a Indian man. They are making kadek or dancing. In the middle there is a losong, because this losong you cannot make rice without the losong to pound the rice. And this is a man who is making dyeing, natural dyeing through plants or seeds or what any colors he can dye to the sinulid, because this is white, so they make color in natural dyeing. This is a woman making backstrap, because during the olden days, women in weavers are making backstrap. And this is the art they produce. This is antique art from the ritual. Sinanbulong bayabas medicine in our place. Sinantao woman who is very, very proud, very, very proud because she is always like that. This is in an catre or a bed. This is the silang kabayo or horse design because this is our transportation in our place. Very small. This is the we call this Bantay Balitok because this mountain has a golden deer. But if you will get this golden deer, you will be banished. That is the reason they call this Incantadja. And this is the people in our myth. Dulimaman, Wadagan, Innayan, Indiman, the son of Wadagan and Dulimaman is Wadagan. And also the cousin of Wadagan is this Agundalia na Baknang. These are all myth from Sarsarita of the province. All tribes know this Sarsarita in the province. This is also the Bantay Bulagaw or Sleeping Beauty nowadays. And this is Aran waiting for Angalo to ask her husband, but she did not wait and sleeping there at the place. This is the reason they call this Sleeping Beauty nowadays. If there is a cloud here at the top, there is a rain. If there's no cloud here at the top, no rain. This is yes, that is the I don't think if that is powerful mountain or what. And this tapis has an design. This design has the dancing prince, sinantukak na babae, sinantukak na lalaki. This is tadpole, yung baby pang frog. And this is rice. This rice. This is our food in the province. Rice. And the color of this kinamayan, this is very important tapis in our place. Natural dye from Malatayong. Yes. So, we are using this. We call this amma. And this one, because of the province of Abra and Ilocos Sur are the same and one governor before. That's why this one is a commercial marketing. They will go to Bigan to market their products. Yes. Using Kalabaw and Karisol. Yes. Yan. Ang kasaysayan. Instead of painting, I cannot express because I don't know how to. Yes, ma'am. Mahirap din. Yung pag-iisip mo, madaling mag-enjoy, pero pag-iisip mo noon, una, mahirap. Kasi you are imagining the whole Abra, whole area of Abra. Yes. Inside the Philippines, only this kinamayan is the difference from other weddings. Yes. In Ilocano, there's no kinamayan. Mm-hmm.